Guys, today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Asphalt app. So all you have to do, you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you go down, we just keep going down here. So then you click here on apps, come to apps list here until you're looking for Asphalt app. So then you just click here on search. Then all you have to do, just add here Asphalt app. It's going to show for you like this. You click on it here. So then you click here on force stop. Click here on OK. So then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage list here. Just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just go to your Play Store. You click on it here. Then here you search for Asphalt app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update. Click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.